Hello and welcome back to Modern Laws YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the video that was circulating the internet last week regarding the exchange between mom and dad and their 4 kids. This is a very difficult video to watch. It's very, very difficult. We don't know a ton of background information, but it appears that this couple has gone through a recent separation or are going through a divorce, and the parents are trying to figure out how to work together and do exchanges for their 4 kids. Now, I mentioned in a video about this video that if I were dad's lawyer, I would recommend he take down the videos, and he did take down the videos. So I'm going to go ahead and play them for you, but I'm going to blur out all of the children's faces, and we're going to talk about what this means from the family law perspective.
7-year-old in the front seat.
She's fine.
No. Get
Yeah, what the hell?
now.
Oh,
Oh. Come on, go. You're causing problems. Watch out. Watch out.
Paying for his own.
I bought a pair of shoes. That's it. What the fuck? Mind your business. Come on.
Why did you not buy your kids a
I
pair of
buy
shoes?
my kids all kinds of shit.
What do you buy
I'm
them?
gonna give you 808
What do you buy them? What do you buy them? Name one thing.
Everything.
What do you buy them?
Everything.
Name one specific thing that you bought them.
Everything. So watch out.
Shut the fuck up.
Come on.
Look at me. You will never respect him at all. He doesn't do anything for you.
Come on, watch out.
When you sit in my
Come on.
I feed you. I put clothes on you.
I did too.
You
Come on, watch out.
Look what he's doing.
Dude, you're being a weirdo. Get out of my car.
Estelle, look at me now. You're okay with that?
Why do you do this to our kids? Watch out.
You're okay with him buying himself shoes and never buying you anything ever?
I buy them everything and I give you child support. You're weird. Get out of my car.
Okay, so that is the video. What happened before that was that mom noticed dad had a bag from Marshall's in his car. She was like, "What are you buying?" And he explained that he bought a pair of shoes, or he actually, I think, said, "Stop it, get out of my bag, it doesn't matter." But it appears that mom became very, very upset when she learned dad had bought himself something. And then another thing that she was upset about was that there was a 7-year-old in the front seat, and there appeared to be 3 younger children in the back of this sedan. Mom has a cigarette in her hand in the car, and the baby is covering up his face with mom's hair. Mom is being very combative with one of the children, and she is asking one of the children to reject dad or condemn dad for his failure to buy her things because he bought himself shoes. One question that came up on many of these comments is this alienation, and what should dad have done? It's not alienation. It is completely inappropriate behavior. That type of behavior over time, that type of asking your kids to agree with you in your anger against their father, that is alienating behavior for sure. Now, what should dad do? Dad's in a tough situation. Mom is in the car. Dad can't exactly drive away with mom in the car. Dad can't really call the police because he's recording. Recording is a great idea for your lawyer. Like this is, and for an order of protection. And I think that following this type of event, dad could absolutely get an order of protection, but there's more. Let's look and see what happened next.
Roll the window down.
No, I'm not rolling the window down. So please leave.
Window down.
No, I'm not.
So eventually mom got out of the car, but was unwilling to leave and was pulling on the car window and broke the car window. We don't know if this was a separate incident or if this was when the kids were in the car. This is criminal behavior. So whereas her previous behavior was probably harassment and trespassing, she's in a car that he's asked her to leave. It's not her car, presumably. Now, if it's both of their car and it belongs to both of them, then it's probably not trespass. But you could probably still get an order of protection or an order that requires exchanges to happen in a different way. When there is conflict, and when things are not okay between you and your ex, when there is conflict, you need to stay away from one another, especially in the presence of your children. You need to stay away from one another. There is simply no reason to be anywhere near dad's car. So it is likely that dad would be able to get emergency sole custody based on these videos. Mom's behavior is so outrageous that there are 25,000 comments on this currently on my Facebook page and another 3,000 over on TikTok. Mom's behavior is outrageous, and it does indicate there's probably more than this going on. The takeaway for you parents, if you are going through a divorce or you may be going through a divorce in the future, is you can never let it get to this point. You have to de-escalate and not put yourself or your children in the position where they're going to be exposed to this amount of trauma. We talk about this again and again and again. Children can manage divorce. They can manage the concept that mom and dad are no longer want to be life partners anymore, but they came together to make us. And now we still have both of them. They can manage that. What they cannot manage is being treated like adults when they're children, being pitted against their other parent, losing a parent. That is what they cannot deal with. And so you should do everything in your power to avoid putting them in a loyalty bond. Never, ever, ever try to get your children on your side. And if you find that you are acting like that for the moment, check yourself.